Hi, Chelsea here with Implement Artificial Intelligence, and I'm going to share with you one of my favorite workflows that have helped me create marketing posts, YouTube scripts, posting on social media content, and creating blog posts. This is a huge time saver when it comes to marketing your own business. So that is why it's one of my favorite workflows. So if you have spent hours in the past creating YouTube scripts or posting and creating blog posts and YouTube, LinkedIn, different posts, this workflow will help you. I'll go ahead and share with you how I have this set up in NAN and all the details around it. So by the end of this video, this will help you on creating your workflow and you can see how easy it is. Okay, so I have it set to run for every hour. This is an NAN, and it'll go ahead once it runs, it'll check the channels that I put in. So if you have businesses that are similar as you, or you want to recreate their content, it'll go ahead and check those channels. It then gets the videos and it's going to start preparing the videos. So from here, it'll go ahead and start to extract what the script is on the video itself. From there, I'm just going to make this larger to make sure you can see it. It'll go ahead and read from my Google Sheet and pull that data. So basically, I have a Google Sheet that pulls all of that information of, okay, here's the video URL. It successfully took that information. It created a title of it. So we'll go back to the workflow. So it creates the code in JavaScript. And then is taking the information to the WordPress. So it takes a transcription of it, and you'll see that in the Google Sheet. It also has like any error handling. So that's where like if it's generating and it'll then create that into a LinkedIn post, it grabs the data, it downloads the image, and it posts the post on LinkedIn and then it updates my CRM sheet. And then I also wanted to recreate a YouTube script so I can utilize that for YouTube. So based off of the YouTube video itself, it'll generate a new YouTube script. Based off of that, I have it into a Google Doc. It uploads the document and it updates the sheet. I can pull the new YouTube script document and I have that as a script to utilize. So it'll pull the YouTube video data and I have that script then to utilize to recreate. So this is the workflow in NAN that is an amazing marketing workflow. It takes your competitors or businesses like yours that you want to recreate content around for your own business. It'll go ahead, gather that information, create it into a blog post, create it also into a LinkedIn post, and recreate the script for you to utilize on YouTube. So when you're in AN2, you can go ahead and once you have your workflow set up, you can literally just click any of these nods, they're called, but you click them, double click it, it'll pull up that information. So like it's pulling up the LinkedIn account. It says to post as a person. It has data that you can go ahead and put in your information to make sure that your workflow is connected to your different accounts and matches what you are wanting it to say and do. Now you've seen the workflow in NAN, you see the nods from the input to the output, creating LinkedIn, YouTube, and blog posts, and you can run the automation as soon as you want or as much as you want. So if you would like a workflow like this, or you have those repetitive tasks that you're doing in your business, definitely sit down and think, what are those tasks? That is what I did. And that is how I generated this workflow to help me with my marketing. And this can help you with your own marketing inside your business. So if you'd like help mapping out a custom workflow and building something like this in your business, definitely check out implementartificialintelligence.com or drop a comment below. Happy to help you further on it.